Hello, welcome to Sheetly Studio channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use the Christmas Gift Tracker. In this video, I'm using the Google Sheets version, but the Excel version works almost exactly the same. To get started, input your holiday date here. Double-click to choose your holiday date. In the Excel version, you need to type it manually. Next, type the currency you are using. Let's say I'm using the $sign. As you can see, the currency symbol automatically updates. This section shows how many days are left until your holiday. Okay, moving on to the table section. Enter the recipient's name in this column. Let's say Mom. And for the gift idea, let's say a mug. For the store or link, let's say Amazon. Let's say the budget is $14. But the actual cost is $12. In this column, you can see the difference between your budget and the actual cost. If you are over budget, the cell will automatically turn red as a warning. Once you're done, mark it as complete by clicking this checkbox. Let's say I've already bought the gift, so I'll check this box. As you do that, this chart updates automatically. Now, let's say I check the wrapped and sent boxes. As you can see, the chart updates automatically. In the delivery method column, you can choose between in-person or mail. Let's say in-person. Next, enter the recipient's address in this column. Use the notes column if you have any additional information. When all three boxes are checked, the formatting changes automatically. And here is an overview of your entire dashboard. And these are filters to help you filter your tracker. Let's say I want to filter by recipient. Click Clear and select the recipient you want. And click OK. You can even combine filters. For example, seeing recipients who haven't sent their gifts. Choose the Sent filter, click Clear and choose False. You can see the result. If you want to reset the filter, click the filter, then select All and click OK. And you do the same with recipient filter. Now let's move on to the stocking tracker. Start by setting the currency. For this example, I'll use $sign. As you can see, the formula automatically updates the currency for you. Next, enter your total budget here. Let's say $250. Now let's move down to the tracker section. In this cell, type the recipient's name. Let's say Emily Carter. And for the gift column, let's say I type mini candle, lip balm, keychain, and hand cream. In the cost column, enter the price of each gift. Let's say mini candle for $5, lip balm $3, keychain $4, and hand cream $6. And the total is calculated automatically here. Let's say you've bought the item. Just check the box here. As you can see your progress here. You can also see all your progress here. And your stocking full stuffed. For example, I click this checkbox. You can see the all progress update, and the left in budget is calculated automatically. Let's say I've already bought all of Emily Carter's gifts. You can see the stocking gets fully stuffed calculated automatically. Let's say I uncheck, it will back to 7 and check it again. Okay, now we move to the card tracker tab. Let's jump to the table tracker. For the name column, let's say I type Emily Carter. And for the type column, let's say digital. For the address or email, let's say emily.carter@gmail.com. And notes column is optional, let's say for my bestie. The written and sent columns are to track if your card is written or sent. Simply click the checkbox. You can see the progress of your written cards will be calculated automatically. Let's check the sent box too. You can see the progress of your sent cards here. You'll notice that if your cards are already written and sent, the format changes automatically. And this shows your total digital cards, while this shows your total physical cards. These are filters to help you organize your cards table. Let's filter the type column. Click Clear, then choose what you want to show. For example, digital, and click OK. Now, you can see the table is filtered to show only the digital type. Let's say you want to see the list of unwritten digital cards. Click the written filter, hit Clear, and then select False. Now you can see the table shows only digital cards that are unwritten. For Excel version, you can find the filters in the header of each column. If you want to go back to normal, click the filters, choose Select All, and click OK. Do the same with the other filters. And that's how you use the Christmas Gift Tracker. I hope this template helps you have a stress-free and organized holiday. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sheetly Studio for more useful spreadsheet templates. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas!